Okay, I'll just restart. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Gary. Welcome to another live session today. Welcome back. Thank you, guys. Thank you, all of you, for joining, and I really appreciate it. Right now, Clover is up. Oh, Clover is down, negative 0.2%. Yesterday, we went up 1.22 despite the market being super red. Let's take a look at this. So, let's take a look at Clover. And let's take a look at the chart. Right now, as you can see, we have had a pretty downward trend, downward run over here for Clover. So we're just going to see what's going to happen when the market opens. Okay, let me know if you guys can hear it properly. Thank you, Ichin. Let me know if you guys can hear me properly. Yes, thank you so much. Anyway, I just want to share, yesterday was a pretty great day, and today is a lot of pretty interesting news. All right, first and foremost, Jeff Bezos went to the moon. Hopefully all of us for Clover, those who bought Clover, can go to the moon as well. So that's what I want to say. But anyway, right now Clover is down 8.29, $8.29. It's way better than $8.20 as what I did in one of my dents. All good. All right, thank you so much. I'm still trying to figure out how to better my voice and my mic, trying to get everything properly, right? So thank you so much for those of you who joined. And yeah, there's nothing much for us to talk about except for, let's take a look at the thing proper, right? So first and foremost, there's this piece of news that might not be fantastic, which is this. Okay, which is this. Delta variant will likely create a sloppy stock market this summer. Okay, so let's go. So Delta variant will likely create a sloppy stock market this summer. That was this was written just today, 7 p.m. Hey, thank you, John. Thank you for letting me know. You guys in the comment section, just let me know whether I am too close or whether you guys can hear my sound, because earlier on I might have some issues. I couldn't hear myself and stuff like that. But in any case, thank you everybody for joining. And anyway, just want to share with everybody this so that all of us know what's going on. So basically, the Delta variant will likely create a sloppy stock market this summer, said strategists. So a likely summer of concern. A summer of concerning COVID-19 Delta variant headline sets this stage for an ugly stock market in the near term, said Keith Lerner, Truist Advisory Services Chief Marketing Strategist. Hi. Yes, good morning. Hear you fine. Thank you, John. Thank you for coming by. I missed the live session, but I watched the entire thing. Your live was at, I believe 3 a.m. in Singapore. So if I could, I would definitely join. But Chris Oliver, welcome. I believe this is my first time seeing you here. Welcome to this live session. Thank you for making it. And see, all good. So right now, the piece of news, our view is that we are seeing another corrective period within a bull market trend. Lerner said in a note to client after Monday's brutal start to trading. While the Delta variant complicates the near-term futures picture, it is likely to lead to a continuation of sloppy trading through the seasonally weak summer months. Our base case remain primarily trend over the next 12 months. It's fine, Gary. I'm here because I enjoy this talk. Thank you so much, John. I really enjoy having you here, sharing your opinion on stock market, crypto, and as well as sometimes you help me to get not too close to the mic or like share your thoughts about certain things with me. I really enjoy your time here, and as well as Chris Oliver. If you have any thing to talk about, please leave them down in the chat box. Hi Henry, yes, you're from Singapore. I asked you just now, I believe there was some lag, but you're from Singapore. I'm from Singapore as well, so welcome. I think now I have more Singaporean I have more Singaporean friends in this space, so I'm glad. But I'm really glad to have people like John, Chris Oliver, and Jerome yesterday who joined. And you are a financial. Yes, I am. Basically, I am a financial consultant, advisor, whatever you want to call it, in Singapore. So, but in this live, my previous video, I don't represent those company. I don't represent any organization. The fact that I'm doing this is based on my interest, based on whatever I want to do. Basically, people call themselves financial advisor, financial consultant, but I'll say for me, I basically insurance agent, if you will, share insurance products or investment products that my company have. So yeah, that's that. So we have to take a lot of tests, and if you guys follow my Twitter, basically I tweet today that I have a test to do on the 22nd to clear the test to maintain the license. So I've been trying to study for today, right? So therefore there isn't any video, and because work from home for the past few I believe days, therefore you see that I'm growing this beard although it's not very visible, but yeah. But anyway, yeah, just that. But anyway, this piece of news doesn't seem fantastic. Monday session was quite sloppy as investors reassess their risk appetite with growing COVID-19 infection globally at the hands of Delta variant. Well, guys, this piece of news is really terrible because the Delta variant, if I'm not wrong, I read the news, is a lot worse than the other variants. So come on, man. COVID. It's been 2 years. Let's hope that it gets over and done with. Oliver, yes, I'm from Singapore. All right, I'm from Singapore. We call ourselves the Lion City. So the small little red dot located beside Malaysia. If that rings a bell, from Yishun. Hey, we have a lot of Yishun people here. But yeah, I'm from the little red dot called Singapore in Southeast Asia. Vietnam, and then I think Cambodia, and then you move down Malaysia, and then you have Singapore. Maybe I show you guys a little bit. Okay, so the world map. Oh no, I think it probably won't help. Okay, maybe I show you. I learned geography in school, so I think I'm pretty good. So this is US, right? US, Canada, and stuff like that. Okay, should I zoom in? Okay, yeah, maybe. But anyway, so Singapore is around here. Okay, I'm gonna search Singapore map. We have Singapore map, and this is how we look like, a tiny little red dot in here. You can't really see us from the map. It's really, really tiny. Okay, so that's where I'm from. But so yeah, that's that. And Singapore recently have had quite a not so good news with regards to COVID-19. So I believe around the world, COVID-19 situation has been affecting a lot of people, a lot of lives, and it certainly affects all of us, our mental well-being, I suppose. So it has affected us a lot. So, and not just mental well-being, but as well as our financial situation, like right now, pandemic crash followed by boom. So this is what's happened in February February or March 2020, when the pandemic hits, drop, and then we have had a boom market. So they are saying that we could see a drop like that again. Right. Yishun. Nice. I have been to Singapore a few times. Yes, I believe you. You can tell. I believe you. I'm not sure where you're from, right, Chris? If you have come to Singapore, you realize that Singapore is a very, very hot place and humid place. Even as a someone who stay in Singapore and in Vietnam for the most part of my life, I would say that Singapore is very, very hot, especially this period. So I couldn't imagine for those of you who don't stay in the tropical area. Singapore's some of the most important trade routes in history. Yes, it is one of the busiest. It has a lot of trade with a lot of international parties, and that's why for Singapore we rely a lot on other market, like especially in US market. So the US market is got affected, then chances are Singapore market would be affected as well. But then again, the Singapore exchange, I think not a lot of people, not liquid enough to have a lot of so a lot of people don't use. I myself don't really use, so we shall see how. Most yes. Market crashed 2 times in 2 years. Let's go. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That's what that's what's I mean, if the Delta variant is serious, then I don't know. I hope not. I don't think so. But by the way, I just want to address this, right? Leroy, yesterday you asked me whether I want to show my portfolio. I mean, I went to check some of the YouTuber. I checked Matt. I mean, I didn't watch the entire thing. I watched some of his video. He don't show everything, so I don't know. But as of now, as I said to you, right? As I said to you, I don't want to show my portfolio until I read the terms and condition and get approval from my boss. Okay, you're in Singapore, you know how it works. You cannot anyhow jump the gun. Yeah, yeah. I hope that answer you lah. Okay, Oppo A5. I don't know how to address you. I hope yeah, but Oppo A5s. Navi, hi V, Xiaowi, how are you? Please type in English so that all of us can understand. Say hi. I believe you're from Cambodia, so just type in English, right? By the way, she's my little cousin, so she jump in off and on to say hi to people. But anyway, so this is this piece of news. Yeah, thank you so much for understanding. I as much as I want to be transparent, I want to share, but I mean, we are in Singapore. Job is very important. So so unless I'm like DFV or Roaring Kitty, where I have $5 million, then you know what, I'll show. But I think I'll just be cautious, just like you know, Singaporean are known to be cautious. So yeah. So anyway, this is one of it. Okay, are you working from home? Right now, I mean, Henry, you're from Singapore, so you know that there's this piece of news where, I mean, John, for those of you who are not in Singapore, right? Singapore have had quite a number of cases recently. I mean, quite a number. We have had 100-ish over the past few days, and suddenly, okay, 100-ish, and the government have been saying that, okay, on 22nd, 2 days later, we cannot dine out, we cannot eat out at all. So that's why most of us work from home, and yeah, likewise I work from home as well. So that's why you see this. I'm growing a beard. I'm growing. Alright, I'm trying to grow like John. I'm trying to grow like you. Gary, almost 300 subscribers. Yes, I am. I'm genuinely shocked by number of subscribers. But anyway, just gotta run. Talk to you later. Thank you, John, for hopping by. Thank you so much for hopping by, sharing with me. Not too close to the mic. I try to be further. So yeah, just check your profile. You have been supporting Clove for, yeah, I have been talking about Clove since last month or so, before Clove hype start to expand. I was talking about Humble because I mean, personally, I bought Humble, and I bought Humble when it was at 70 cents. So let's take a look at Humble and what's the price right now. I bought a Humble at 7.80 cents, right around there, and then I talk about it, and it went up 100%. It's insane. So that's yeah, I was talking about it, and there was a lot of pretty good news. You see, like Humble CEO, the CEO. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I open up this thing, right? Basically, the CEO has been collaborating with a lot of different stakeholders. So I'm quite interested about Humble. And then afterwards, I went to take a look at Clover. The community was back then was 8,000, 9,000 ish, and I look at it, and the short interest potential is so ridiculous. Because you take a look at this. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Maybe I make it bigger for everybody to see. So if you take a look at this daily chart, come on, daily chart. Okay, here. Okay, here, right? It was at $17. It dropped to $6. It's so ridiculous. Yeah, and then it kind of hover around here. So I felt the time is right. I talk about it, and boom, 30%, then 100%. It was insane. I don't know whether you guys, Chris, you're in, Clover. I don't know whether you guys bought before that, or Marcus, or Duke Leroy. I don't know whether you bought before that. If you guys bought before that, wow, it was crazy run. It was hype, man. And then afterwards, it continuously dropped. I think has what most what should I say, momentum stocks. Then it dropped, and of course it is moving up. I agree, cute dog. Yeah, I purposely find. I think I'm gonna change, right? You gotta keep it fresh. Where is it? Yeah. Welcome back. I kinda miss you. That's why I choose that. You are the first Singapore finance YouTuber that does live. I don't know, right? Because when I was watching, okay, I myself, I watch a lot of live. Okay, I watch Trade. I didn't watch Matt lah, because I was watching Trade, right? During the AMC saga, right? He was talking about it. I watch every single day. I watch, and I felt that how it would be good to have a Singaporean person, right, talking about stocks or in general, not necessarily momentum stocks, but just stock in general. So you know what? And then I watched a couple of those. I think Think Media, right? Their slogan is just take the camera and record, or something like that. And just happened that my girlfriend bought me a mic, and I mean, because I was saying that I like media, I like to edit, although I was in business, finance-ish, right? So I was telling my girlfriend I like lah. Then she just bought it for me, and I say, you know what? Just do it. So I just do it lah. So here I am trying to improve every single video. I'm trying to improve myself. So so pardon me if the quality and everything is not up to par. I will definitely be up there, right? Trying to improve myself. So yeah, here we are doing live. And yeah, facts. So do you sell? Hey bro, for me, I love I love Clover. I love the community. I sold to get out my initial investment. That's what I always believe in. So yeah, I mean, I did. I in one of my video, if you actually binge what I said, I sold. Wait for the next entry point. Okay, as much as I've been AMC the previous time, and I know that I mean, as much as I want to diamond hand, right? I want to I would like to take out my initial investment, so that right now, even if it drop, what I'm gonna do? Buy more, right? So yeah, so that's why in my video I said gonna buy more. Then people are like, where you get the money to buy more? But it's because I take out initial investment, I wait. So whatever I have, right, is whatever gains I made lah. But of course it dropped, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, so that's the important of it. So in my Humble video, I also say it went up to 100% for Humble, right? I told people who watch those videos, I said just take out whatever your initial investment, wait for a better entry, because as much as I hate to say this, chances are it's gonna pull back. And I mean, of course, when it pull back, what's gonna happen is gonna spring even higher. So this is what I feel. Should I buy Clover? I haven't buy yet. Henry, I'm not here to tell you whether you should buy. Maybe Duke Leroy, you can tell him, because you can say whether you can buy or not. But or Chris or what, right? You guys can say. But for me, I would say that Humble has what it takes to go back up to $20 or even $30. That's me. That's what I believe in. And okay, let's. Oh, the market is open. We've been talking till the market is open. My apologies, guys. And when the market open, I'll answer you in a fair bit. All right, answer you in a fair bit. Right. So Clover Health. Michael Bubis say, Henry Chung, you should definitely buy Clover. All right. I'm not saying I'm not. By the way, Henry, right? Even Michael, when he say buy, you should definitely buy. What you should do is you should read up do your own research and due diligence, and then come with your own conclusion, because the last thing you want is, just listen to someone else and you buy because you like the stock. So right now it is 1.45, down by 1.45, 816. So if you guys bought at 790, yesterday during the live session, one of the members, I believe Jerome or John was asking me when is a good entry point, and I said buy at this 790, right? Because it was this hovering, right? I say buy at 790. So if you guys buy at 790, for those of you who are new, you're not worried, you're not sweating. And in fact, for those of you who are new, of course, this is my personal opinion. If you buy at this price, what's going to happen, right? It drop, okay, $6, okay, right? So the risk to reward ratio, I think is there. So the risk to reward ratio is definitely there, and as you can see, it has been going down and down and down and down for so many days. So we just hope that there'll be more green candles, and when it go green, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be fast and furious. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this parabolic arc pattern. Okay, hold on. Okay, this thing called parabolic arc pattern. Okay, just doesn't seem to load, but it's okay. Anyway, do your own due diligence. And Henry, if you guys haven't, if you or anyone here, right, haven't joined the Reddit community, please do so, because there is a lot of due diligence done over there, and it's insane and how much you learn, because as a someone who works in finance and study discounted cash flow, all the boring stuff, right? I found myself learn a lot more from this Reddit community than 2 hours of watching lectures. So that's what I said. So if you haven't already done so, do join this Reddit community. It's called Clover. So if you don't have a Reddit app, do create a Reddit, download the Reddit app on your App Store or Play Store, and then search Reddit. Then once you download, or you go to your laptop, then you go search Clove, and you land yourself in this, right? Clove, this logo, and then you see a lot of due diligence, and you can see this hot, and this is new, meaning new items, or top today or a few days ago. So over there are a lot of research, due diligence done by a lot of people, but of course don't take whatever they say 100%, right? Do your own due diligence after that. Did I buy? Okay, Leroy said I bought at $12, sold at $15 after the drop from the 20s. I'm looking to buy in again if the volume is good, right? I don't know whether to call you Duke or Leroy. Just call your full name, right? Duke Leroy. So can you share with all of us, what is your target entry level for Clover, since right now you don't have any Clover shares in hand, right? So can just share with us then what is the price target for me? If there is no short squeeze, if there is no nothing, I would say 20, 30 is a fair value if it's just gonna grow, but if there is a short squeeze, $100 is very, very much possible. Of course, it's my personal opinion. And do you buy IMNM and NRBO? I didn't buy yet because I saw it running in the pre-market. Okay, let's take a look. All right, this is IMNM. Thanks, man. Thanks, dude, for letting me know. Yeah, I I was, yeah, that's what I need the folks to help me out, right? Right now I am using two screens, so sometimes I focus on one, then hey, I never so yeah, thank you so much. But anyway, so right now it is at the support line, right? I'm not sure, I'm not comfortable with it. You can get in with the exit strategy of perhaps this, yeah, perhaps here, 20 40. Yeah. Hey Colin, hi, what's going on? Are you the Colin from my secondary school? I remember your surname. If not, hi Colin, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining by, hopping by and say hi. If you guys haven't, yeah, are you? I'm very curious. But anyway, so if you are looking at IMNM as a, you know, day trade, this is a pretty scary point. If you guys get at this point, please be careful, right? If you guys don't, it can be very disgusting. It could go down all the way. So that's my take. So please watch these two support line over here. If it managed to bounce up, you just gotta wait for the confirmation, because typically for all this stock, I don't look at the MACD, because it's either fly or not, right? It's not like Amazon or Apple, where you can, everybody is looking at MACD, everybody is looking at RSI, and they're like time to enter. No, this is get or not. So that's it. So if it consolidates and it shows a strong green candle, I'm gonna get in. All right, so it looks good, right? It looks good. So I'm waiting for a confirmation, and perhaps let's wait for the MACD to see if there is any confirmation. And it looks like it is bouncing back up. It looks like it's bouncing back up. So we shall see. Yeah, it's kind of like fighting. Should I go up and stuff like that? So yeah, I'm planning to day trade this to see, to test out day trading. Yeah, I mean, day trading is difficult, so I'm just testing this out. Yeah, if it confirm, I'm gonna get in. So we just gotta wait and see. Yeah. Okay, I think it looks good. Give me a while. Oh. Okay, guys, I got in at 11:40. Sorry, oh, I haven't get in. I said 11:45. So let's hope that we hit 11:45. Boom, let's get out. If not, I gotta get down a little bit for me to enter. It looks like it's gonna poise for a run up. Let's see how it goes for the day trade. That looks juicy. Yeah, man, that looks juicy, man. It looks, because we are at the support line, right? We are at this support line over here. So if we manage to catch this, and if it I mean, I understand it looks like a head and shoulder is forming, and it's quite scary if it is a head and shoulder, right? So yeah, I mean, this is a support line. If it breaks, then I might want to exit my position first. Maybe like here, might exit my position, because this is the next support line. If it breaks, then gg.com, I'm gonna get out. So that's that. And I'm not sure. You guys let me know if you guys are inside as well. If you guys are, let me know. Okay, I think I just got it. 11:42. Yeah, I said. The good thing about Moomoo, I'm not sure about others, right? I mean, I've been trading Moomoo quite a fair bit, and they have like 42, especially for option. They have like say for example 10, 11, 12, 15, 14, right? For Tiger brokers, they always 10, then 15, then 20. So I don't know. Marcus Lim Wen Hao, let's get in, bro. Let's get in. But I got in and then it dropped. So so that's the thing. Okay, it might be, it looks very it looks quite nasty, yeah. It looks quite nasty. Eh, eh. How, guys? Let me know. I think it might drop all the way. Yeah. Yeah. So there's that. So yeah, okay, let's get back to Clover. It's not look at numbers. I think it's gonna go up, right, based on that support line. Seems pretty strong. And Clover, the market opens, it looks pretty bad, right? Drop terribly when the market opens. So yeah. Okay, so right now Clover is at $8. Looks pretty bad, right? Not gonna lie, I don't like it. One day up, another day down. One day up, another day down. So, yeah. I believe I have more Singaporean people watch now than if you guys are from overseas. Let me know where you guys from, right? Hedges is trying to scare us, clove holders. We ain't selling. Yeah, I mean, who is selling at this price? Who? Who? All right. I mean, at $8. So yeah, unless you're a day trader, of course, then you sell. But if you look at the data, right? We talk about short squeeze potential. In my previous videos, I talk until I sian. I watch. Sometimes I watch other YouTubers. I watch until I like, oh, God, anything new? Like we know that it is there. Stop, panicking whenever it drops. Be happy. Buy high, sell low. I love the meme, man. Buy high, sell low, that kind of thing. But but at this price point, nah, man. I don't think anybody is selling. I think a lot of people are buying, in fact. So, order book. Damn. Buy high, sell low. All right. So right now, Clover is doing a stepping upwards, and it could be another, another formation that what we saw yesterday, where it dropped ridiculous. I think 5-6%, and then boom, we went up. So yeah, I mean right now the bad part is that we are seeing this. Oh, we have broken it, so it's good. I mean in short term, right? But let's take a look at the 4-figure combination. Let's take a look at the chart. This is your weekly, and I mean if you zoom it out weekly, Clover is pretty much at the bottom. So, but we ain't selling. All right, the depth, I think we are at the bottom, right? So, if you ask me, nobody is selling. What the? Yeah, people just buy more whenever it drops. People just buy more. It's just flipping buy more, right? I mean, the bad part of this is a lot of us, including myself, we don't have much firepower to buy. We love to buy at this price. All right, so people are dying to buy at this price. So come on, man, at $8 you still want to short it? Just get out, just cover and yeah. So that's why people ask me yesterday when it was 780, 790. I was saying, at this price, you think short sellers won't cover? At this price, do you think more people are gonna short it? I mean, of course, right now I'm not talking about data, right? We have talked about it many times. We talk about intuitiveness. We talk about brain, right? Come on, man. At this price, it's dirt cheap. And in my video, right, in my previous video, if you guys watch, I said that the JP Morgan analyst set a price target for Clover to be at $9. So yesterday at 7+, oh, we are buying below the JP Morgan analyst price target. So in actual fact, we are buying sort of like if you no options, it's sort of like in the money, right? So just buy whole. buy at this price, hold, lower your average, hold, whatever, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Whatever you want to do, leave them down in the comment section, or just let me know. But I'm in no way telling you to buy or sell or whatever, right? Yeah, so this is the weekly chart. It looks like it's at the bottom already. Anything below 10 is a juicy deal for Clove, even if it doesn't short squeeze. Correct. I mean, that's what I've been saying. And if you notice, I mean, I stopped, talking about Clove, making video about Clove every single day with regards to the short squeeze potential, because I feel that, people need, at this price, nobody gonna like, am I going to sell? What's going on? I mean, there are people still feeling that way. I mean, if they put in their entire life savings and then they are panicking, I think, maybe I should do more. I'm sorry, I'm just having talking to myself. I should do more videos to encourage, to strengthen everybody's belief by sharing with them why I believe in this company. So I think, but at this price point, anything below 10, as what you said, anything below 10 is a juicy deal for Clove. If it doesn't squeeze, right, as I said, you just gotta hold it. And if you don't need that money for quick bucks, right, you don't need the money, you just put it there. In next year, maybe not next year, maybe 2 years, it will go up, I believe, $20, right, $30. So the price point that you buy now, you laugh, right, because they're so cheap. So that's my point for buying at this price, and I'm asking my parents to just buy, because this price is dirt cheap. I understand that. There's this YouTuber, he calculated, he said that Clover is worth $3 or whatever, right? But the thing about this is Clover is expanding rapidly. Okay, it is expanding rapidly, coupled with good news from this U.S. presidency, Mr. Joe Biden, and a lot of pretty good news over the past few days, over the past few weeks, and it is unfair to actually just calculate the discounted cash flow, the value of it, or the net present value of the whatever, right? As of now, right? Because the company is expanding and they are hiring a lot of talented people into into Clover. So that's what I said. That's what I feel, right? I mean, the fact that, as what I said in my previous life, for those of you who are here, do pardon me, I'm gonna say it again. The fact that the CFO leave the company, for whatever reasons, right? I feel that it is perhaps for the better. Reason being is we could right now ask someone who has experience in managing a big company, right, to come into Clover, and then from now he can manage the finances of the Clover better, and with better CFO. I wouldn't say better, I'm not going to compare, right? I mean, I appreciate the previous CFO that left, but what I'm saying is that so what I'm saying is that the fact that CFO left, it could signal a better CFO, a more credentialed CFO with more experience to come in and bring Clover to the next stage. Do you see Moderna though, Gary? I think Moderna is a good short term right now. I haven't been looking into a lot of different stocks because I put a lot of money into Clover. So I feel that right now looking into a lot of different stocks is a bit intuitive for me, and coupled with I have quite a number of work related stuff to do. In Singapore, you understand work from say 8 to 6, right? Work from home, you're gonna work more, you're gonna OT without pay. So you're just gonna work more, and then 8 o'clock, and then prepare a little bit, get ready for life. So I haven't been looking into a lot of all these different stocks, but Moderna looks pretty promising. Hey, thank you so much for sharing, man. Where is wait, I just wanna, where's IMN? Oh shit, Okay, hold on. Let me check about this. Oh, it looks like it is following an upward trend, yeah? Okay, maybe not this. My apologies. Yeah, maybe this, right? Oh, yeah. I mean, you could, but I'm not going to. Right? All my firepower is on Clove. So yeah, it could be like this, right? A good entry point, 33. Yeah, is like rising 10%. Yeah, I know. But that's the thing, right? About Gunslinger, I'll get back to you, but it's like rising 10% every day, though. Yeah, I know. But the thing about all this, right, is like it rises 10%, and then you say, I'm probably gonna drop. I mean, then after that, it rises another 10%. You're like, all right, it's gonna drop. Then it happens. So I think I might have missed the boat. Yeah, you see, like rise and then it dropped. Then the thing about it is that yeah, it's over, and it rises again. Oh, I miss it. So and of course I don't do a lot of due diligence on Moderna for this stock, right? Moderna. I don't know why I have difficulties pronouncing this, but yeah. I spend most of the time on Clover and my daily job. But back to Gunslinger. Why doesn't Clove rally on all the good news coming out of Medicare expansion? Bro, I'm not gonna insinuate anything, but alright, the short sellers would like to press the price down, because you take a look at the maximum pain. Okay, in case you don't know, I'm in the finance sector, so I can't really say. I mean, trade or other YouTubers say that short sellers shorting, very disgusting and stuff like that. I mean, they are trying to short the stock as low as possible, right? So that's what they do, and with good news, they're trying to short it even more. Reason being is a psychological game, because I mean a lot of new traders, the assumptions, right, is that those that play momentum stocks are not good traders. I mean, the fact that I'm talking about Clover, Duke just Leroy just outrightly said, I'm gonna say it, but yeah. Yeah, thank you, man. You guys helped me to say certain words that I couldn't say. But okay, the thing about this psychological game, right? Okay, wait, back to the fact that I'm talking about Clover instantly make my reputation amongst my friends who they instantly view me as a less good financial planner, because I talk about momentum stock. I should be, you should invest in safe stock. I mean, we all should, but of course, if you take a look at Clover, if people really take a look at Clover, they will know that actually Clover has what it takes to short squeeze and potential to go pretty high. But then again, back to the psychological stuff. Say for example, my father buy Clover at say $10. Correct? $10. And Clover, good news, right? Then my father was like, hey, good news, I expect to go up. But then the price go down. My father is not a trader. Alright, my father is not an investor. I mean, he just get some policies in, but he's not a trader. So he don't read, then he was just scared, right? So a lot of new traders who get into, say, AMC, Clover and stuff like that, they utilize those tactics to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt into our mind. And with good news, price drop. People are like, oh my God, even with good news, the price is dropping. What am I going to do? I'm going to sell. Oh, that's a psychological game, right? I was in AMC when it spiked to $20, I remember 20 something dollars. And then it dropped, and every day it dropped. Good news drop, bad news drop, drop. It was crazy. Same thing with Clover. Look at Clover, right? You take a look at Clover. We have dropped too long. look at, okay, over the past many days, good news, bad news, good news, bad news, we have dropped. I think for the past 14 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, drop like grapes. But so that's the point. Okay, it's gonna shake off the paper handlers. I'm not gonna call them paper handlers, I'm sorry, but maybe those who are not well informed about Clover. I heard a rumor they hire ex-military guys to help them with the psychological warfare. I think I saw this interview from on this I think Nasdaq or something, right? By these managers, fund managers, hedge fund managers or whatever. They basically sometimes they use psychological. They win trade by playing psychological game. So for example, just like yesterday, right? We have had a green day, correct? And a lot of us were very happy, correct? I mean, myself included. I was hyped about this, and instantly, and then they're gonna down it. So likewise, you take a look at this period of time. So this is a psychological game that, you know, traders, big traders, play with us. Small fry. So like, you know, price drop and then they have this upward trend. People thought that, oh my god, we are relieved, and then drop again. So this is a psychological game where a lot of people start to buy, right, and then drop, and then up again. A lot of people start to buy and then drop again. So the thing is, they are creating fear. Whenever it's good, they create fear, price down. Whenever it's bad, they create even more fear. So that's what this. What is this? What is this? At this point, I don't even know if it is this or what. Yeah, but I heard of this as well. I read this on Reddit forum that's what they do. I think that could be one of these strategy that they are using. Hello, Xiao Wei, how are you? Please reply me. I hope COVID situation in Cambodia is slightly better, man. I pray to all of you guys, to all of us. I mean, in Singapore as well. Oh, and all over the world. Okay, but let's take a look at any good news. Oh yeah, I just want to show you guys this. So I want to show you guys this. This is the MaximumPain.com. And the maximum pain is at $9. The stock price is $8.12. So we are technically below the maximum pain. Why? Okay, some of us understand, right? Some of us understand how all this works. So the maximum pain is due to the open interest. You see, at $9, it's like 13,933, and the volume is 1,400, 1,004. So therefore, anything below is not maximum pain. So maximum pain is $9. So we all thought, myself included, I wanted to do a video about it, but I just was trying to focus on my stuff. But a lot of us thought that, you know, as long as we go above $9, it's gonna be awesome, right? It's gonna be awesome. So this is the maximum pain. Reddit community for Clove does help to clear the fears, though. They make funny memes that may help you stay hodling. Yeah, recently they have this meme competition. Did you guys submit it, right? Propose to it? All these are the winners. Okay, let's see whether we are able to see them. No. Oh, let's see. I wanted to submit, but decided not. Friday multi-clovation video for the fellow banana. Okay, let's go. Let's all watch it together. All right, let's all watch it together. Look, Duke Leroy, I'm gonna get to you later. Let's watch this together. Can you guys hear? Wait. Hold up. Let's have some sound. Give me a moment. All right. Okay. Right.
Quenches your thirst better. It tastes better too, idiot. You're drinking the wrong water.
Let her attack. Down, 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 down.
H2O.
Buy and hold.
H2O.
Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Water sucks.
No, stop
It
saying
really,
it.
really
You don't mean
sucks.
it. You're bad people.
Bro, this is so true, right? Like, I don't know how, but people instantly think that we are stupid. We don't know how to trade. We are bad traders. So, I mean, I personally, because I'm in finance, people instantly think that I don't know how to trade just because I look into Clover. What? Diamond hands. See it? Grandma. Hey, Lambos! Alright, this is quite interesting. So this is the winning. This is the winning video award. Damn. What are your thoughts on hedges not covering for GameStop short back in December when it was $12, and why they are stubborn to hold onto their short? Well, I think, bro, number one, I think those hedges that short when it was $12, they are big corporations. They have money. Their wallet is deep, and not just deep. Their wallet is like super deep. So even right now they are paying a lot of interest, right, for shorting. Maybe they just have enough to cover it up, to cover the interest that they lost, and maybe because they are hoping that GameStop is gonna drop. To be honest with you, I don't. I started all this looking into AMC. I mean, I heard about GameStop, but I didn't do a deep dive into GameStop to actually share with you guys about it. But I know that GameStop is the OG. I mean, the Roaring Kitty is a legend, man. He's a total legend. And yeah. Okay, now let's. I think I have GameStop. Hey, Duke Leroy. I know you mentioned about BNGO. Give me a while. I trying to do a deep dive research, take a look into BNGO and get to know what exactly is it. GameStop. I believe I have. Oh no, GameStop. Right now is okay. I think there is the thing about Moomoo, right? The thing that I don't really like is that whenever you change from one ticker symbol to another, then this happens. Right now you see 600 plus, 300 plus, which actually the price is at 174. So that's the not very good part about Moomoo lor. Yeah, 300 plus. I think those who bought GameStop probably jump up out of their chair and say, hey, wait, why 300 plus? But actually it's only 174. So that's not what I like about Moomoo. Okay, now is 174. Yeah, I don't know much about GameStop to talk about it, because I looked into AMC the other time. I bought heavy on it. Right now it went up, and with that I talk about Clover right now. And of course I don't jump into the hype because Clover is the thing. I talk about it before the spike. I mean, back then Clover have had a lot of hype as well. But let's take a look at one of the tweet I tweeted the other day about this. Okay, about this. I posted this on Moomoo, right? After 7 days of red, let's have a solid green day. That was 7 days of red for AMC back then, when it went to, I think it went to $16-17. It dropped all the way to I think $9, if my memory serves me right. It dropped all the way. So disgusting, right? Then I was really devastated And I have Tiger account and Moomoo account, and in Tiger account, that's where I buy most of it. In Moomoo account, because I get the Apple share and then I sell it, right? Yeah, parabolic arc. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. So in Moomoo, I'm more of like option. I buy option on Moomoo. I just because I only have Apple share, right? I don't know if you guys follow my life previously. Basically, I said I bought. I get into Moomoo because of the Apple share, free Apple share. If you guys in Singapore, you guys haven't used Moomoo, if you guys want to use my promo code, right? Then we all can get. You can get Apple share. I can get, I think Twitter share or something. But I have a Apple share, and then I start to buy option, and then boom, Clover went up. Obviously, I sold some, and then awesome. But then then afterward, AMC went up to $70. So for those of you who are in Clover and worried, I think it's poised for, as what Duke Leroy said, AMC setting up for a parabolic arc. Okay, maybe a lot of people here don't know what is a parabolic arc. Okay, Investopedia. Okay, not this, Investopedia. Okay, I'm glad that you're good, man. Right now, COVID is really, it's so long. I hope that everybody is safe. Hopefully, for those of you who are in Singapore, hopefully you never go to hotel, or what hotel, or KTV. If you have, be careful. Akong will know one. Alright. It's a parabolic SART. Is it this? Investopedia. Okay. Indicator used in energy spot trends and reversal. Indicator utilizes system of superimposed into price chart. This. Okay, I think you know what? I'm gonna make another video about this parabolic arc that we mentioned, and for more people who, especially in AMC and as well in Clover. But the thing about this is that sometimes, I'm in AMC as much as I'm in Clover, right? But sometimes I post about AMC and Clover together, and instantly I got hate from AMC for trying to create FUD. And if you are in Clover, I don't know whether you feel the same frustration as me, but honestly, I feel quite frustrated with the whole situation, saying that Clover is a FUD and stuff like that. So that's what I want to say. I'm in both, and I love both. That's the problem. Okay, but I think let's talk about this piece of information. I was reading about this, and one of our Reddit member actually did a fantastic breakdown on this, why I continue to hold Clover Health. So it's a very long post. You know what? Okay, anyone actually read this? I'm planning to read this. I read halfway, right? I just finished work on the way home in the bus. Read it up. Because it was yesterday, and it's about first time in hospital controversies. So yeah, about the KTV issues. If you guys are not from Singapore, right? Recently, Singapore get back to a sort of like a phase 2, we call it, right? Where we can't eat outside. We only have gathering of 2 people, and majority of us work from home. So that's the situation. We just got back into that situation, and the reason is because a lot of people, a lot of lonely men, I hope, non-married men, go to KTV and have fun. And because of that, the entire nation go into lockdown. Sounds so ridiculous. past couple of months have been so frustrating with the regulations. It- yeah. Yeah, it was quite, I wouldn't say, yeah, a bit frustrating, to be honest. And I believe I mean, as much as frustrating for us, it's frustrating for everybody, including the government, right? I mean, I watched this meme from, I think, SGAG, right? They make a video about whenever the government say one thing, it happens another, right? So like they talk about, oh, we're gonna have a Hong Kong bubble, then boom, Hong Kong got issues. We talk about Australia and Singapore, about boom, Singapore got issues. Talk about then, okay, Hong Kong and Singapore bubble gonna happen right recently, and then boom, this thing happened. So, I hope that COVID is over once and for all, man. So long, bro. The KTV not that bad. The river, yeah, man. It's quite. So yeah, we I don't know much to talk about it. The government haven't released much. We just gotta wait for the news. I'm not gonna speculate, right? I'm not gonna speculate. Yeah. Backside itchy. Yeah, I mean, I hope that a lot of single men, right? A lot of single folks. Yeah. If you guys watch The Office, it reminds me when Michael Scott talks about his snip snap snip. Okay, let's watch that. I don't know whether I will get. The other time I was watching this reacting to this video, and I got demonetized or something lah. I don't know. Michael Scott talks about his vasectomy. Yeah, before I play this video, okay, maybe Michael, I'm gonna answer to you very quickly. Let's watch this, right? Let's watch this. Where is my earpiece? Okay, the thing about this, right? I cannot hear anything, but I just gotta connect this to the mic, right? Microphone, and listen with everybody. Okay.
I said that I wanted to have kids, and you said that you wanted me to have a vasectomy. What did I do? And then, when you said that you might want to have kids, and I wasn't so sure, who had the vasectomy reversed? And then when you said you definitely didn't want to have kids, who had it reversed back? Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap. I did. You've no idea the physical toll that 3 vasectomies have on a person.
This part.
Reversed. And then when you said you definitely didn't want to have kids, who had it reversed back? Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip,
Yeah,
snap.
that basically happens to us right now in Singapore, where we can go out eat. 5 people, 4 people. If you're vaccinated, 5, 6. There are a lot of permutations, and then suddenly we can't go out eat. We can't go eat. I mean, it is frustrating for all of us. But I mean, as a government of people who are in the government, I understand they have their own issues to handle as well. I mean, if they open up too much, then the issues will get expanded even more. If they don't open up, then people will complain. So it's hard to be in government, man. I respect them, so it's really quite challenging. Okay, Michael, I'm assuming you don't have the vaccine hesitant in Singapore that Idiotic USA going through right now. Michael, no. Singapore, we don't have vaccine hesitant. I think a majority of people in Singapore, I think we just listen. I mean, we just don't care. We just, okay, we gotta take vaccine, we take. And the thing about it, yeah, I never thought that would happen in school. Michael, yeah. So it's a huge issue if you don't know. So yeah, crazy, man. Which secondary you went to? I'm still in secondary school. Really? If you're still in secondary school O level this year, I would say that really hats off to you for being able to understand the market and everything. You know, it's not easy. It's not easy, and the fact that you start now is good. Damn, bro, Sec 4 already hard as it is. I can't imagine doing home-based learning in secondary school. Yeah, man, home-based learning in secondary is so crazy. You have so many subjects to handle. So I don't know what's Okay, so wow, so impressed you're into trading at 16. Yeah, man, I'm so impressed as well. Maybe you can share. At what age do you start to trade? All right, for me, I start to read about trading, all the books. All right, I'm very interested in it. Just like the death. I don't know if you can share with me your name, your nickname, your full name. No need full name, just your name. Then it would be easier. I call you the deaf a bit. A bit 不吉利 in Chinese. But anyway, so yeah. Then I start to invest into blue chip stock at 18 years old, and then from there I move on to slightly more riskier stock, and right now I'm at momentum stocks. And as someone in finance, the moment I post anything about finance, momentum stocks like AMC, like Clover, instantly people look at me and like with a frown eye and like, wait, what? So, and I trust the sign, i.e. not stupid. I trust the sign as well. So yeah, I'm ready for booster, seeing lots of breakthrough cases in vaccinated people here. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have my second jab. I just want to share. I'm gonna have my second jab on 26. So hopefully I'm fine. Maybe I'll document down my whatever I'm feeling. It seems like the second jab will have a heavier impact. I don't know, right? But I'm gonna have a second jab on 26. I'm quite excited for it. So yeah. Now let's read this piece of article that I wanted to share with everybody over here. Before we do, his name is Tommy. Let me bring it up. Okay, Tommy is my name. I started learning business and econs at 14. Oh, wow! By going to library and watching YouTube and reading Discord communities discussion, and started trading officially at 15, 16. Bro, salute. Hats off to you. Salute. It's good to start at a very young age. Michael, Ichin, for those of you who are in this live, 12 of you, don't be shy. This gentleman over here, Tommy, hats off to you, man. At 14, you start to read up. I too read up at 14, but then back then we don't have Tiger Broker, we don't have Moomoo and stuff like that. So I don't really know how to invest, and people around me don't really invest. They say, buy Singtel, buy all this big cap stock, all right, safe stock, which is okay, but it's hard to day trade because the commission is $25. So basically, you buy in diamond hand. Yeah, so diamond hand since last time, but at 15, 16, man, hats off to you. You will be able to learn, and you'll be able to be a very good trader or investor when you reach even 25. You have at 25 you have 10 years of experience, which a lot of people don't have that much of experience at 25. So wow, I'm 19 and I wish I started in secondary school. I hope you get filthy rich, bro. Yeah, man, we all hope that we start at secondary school, right? Leroy is at 19 years old. We all wish we started at 16. All right, sec 4. People, trying to figure out their life. You start to trade. Hats off to you. But of course, please be careful whenever you trade. Sometimes it is very difficult to handle our own emotions. We need to handle our own emotions, and of course, even at my age right now, sometimes it's very difficult to handle our own emotions when we trade. So therefore, at our age, 16, 19, 20-ish, 30, we need to be able to handle our own emotion and be better at it. So thanks a lot, guys. Lol, but I'ma be stop trading the next week because I need to study every day for O levels. I'll come back after O levels. Thanks a lot. Yeah, man, do what you need to do. Okay, you do what you need to do. I respect you for having that discipline. Not many of us have that, and discipline is very important. O level is very important. Do you mind sharing with me what school you want to go to? If say you want to go, do mind sharing with us. All the best for O level. Yes, man, all the best. Okay, thought on 3x ETFs or 3x ETF that track individual stocks like Tesla and this. I think if you believe in the company long term, 3x gain is good, right? Yeah, man, 3x gain is definitely good, but I personally would have 3x ETF that tracks individual stock like Tesla, all this. Okay, and I don't know about you, but I do have Tesla in my portfolio. So but I could talk about Tesla all day long, but we leave it another discussion. Hi Frank, hi, what's going on, Frank? Hey, if you guys are interested in Duke, Leroy, or the Dev, if you guys are interested in watching finance YouTuber and stuff like that, you can check out Frank Finance. Okay, he's like me. We all talk about stocks, stock pick, and everything. So Frank too, do a lot of due diligence, share with everybody, and I really appreciate his videos. Right, I like his videos, and hopefully, Frank, one day we can do a live together, perhaps sharing with us your perspective on the market or stuff like that. And Frank did a video on Clover as well, so awesome. But Frank said paper trading at 14, learned a lot, unable to buy and sell stock until 18 in US. Oh, I didn't know you can't buy or sell in stocks when you're 18 in US. I thought as long as you have parents behind them, it's okay. Okay, the Dev, I just want to share with you, I just want to check with you. When you say you start at 16, right? Do they check anything? Yes. Do they check anything? Your parents, stuff like that. Duke Leroy just sub. Yeah, man. Check out Frank video. I really appreciate his take on Clover, right? So yeah. Yeah, so now let's take a look at 5 things to know before the stock market opens on Tuesday. It has opened. Wait. Before that, let's take a look at the market a little bit and see what's going on. So, this. Okay. Clover is down 3%. Right now it's at $8. S&P 500 is up, but Clover is down, so it's kind of boring. The price is going to stay at $8. Hopefully it's going to be like that day where the price is just going to go forward. But as you can see over here, right now we are going on a downward trend, right? See? Descending level of resistance. So as long as we need to break this descending level of resistance. Okay? And context logic. Oh, wait. Let me check. Just now, what was that? Hold up. What is it? IMNM, right? I've been talking and haven't. Oh, yes, guys. You see, well, good job, Gary. Good job. Pats on the back. Yeah. That is what we are talking about. This is the day trade I'm talking about. I'm quite hyped. I don't really know why is this. I know there's a vaccination stock, but it has gone up today, and I said that it has broken the ascending level of support. It broke it, and then I bought it around at 43. Okay, 21.43. It dropped. This is the support line. If it dropped further, I'm gonna get out. So I'm just busy talking to you guys. I didn't check, and right now we are up, guys. Nice bounce off, everybody. I hope you guys get on the same boat as me, but I might considering just exit for the day. because I mean, not gonna get greedy, yeah. So this has broken, so I'm just gonna. So the thing about technical analysis, right? Thank you, brah. Nice technical analysis and bounce off. That's the thing about technical analysis. Just now you see I deleted, right? So technical analysis, it works for approximately a while. It could be wrong, right? So right now we are going back up this channel, right? This channel ascending level of channel upwards. So let's hope that it's gonna go up. Let's take a look at if there is any news. I think the reason why it's up, as you can see over here at the side, Immunome Q1 EPS is up from negative 2.44 year over year. So it seems pretty good. So let's put in watch list. I forgot. Right. I think I'm just gonna hold it for the next couple of days. Fingers crossed. I'll be updating you guys in the next video. So appreciate it, man. Yeah, we can definitely been tuning in low key in the last couple of days and listening during work. Thank you so much for listening, Frank. I've been listening to watching your videos. I really appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully one day we can do a live together and share our our take on the market. Yeah. So anyway, guys, Duke, the Dev, Ichin, whoever that's here, 13 of you, we are a small channel, but we have passion for stock. I hope if you guys have the same passion, just do join us for the live. Just share with us what you feel about the market and stuff, and then we can talk. So they say that. Well, they did say in the list not to have anyone use your account, but I'm not in control of the account and just give tips. And my parents are one executing it. Oh, okay, right. All right, so you're asking up. That's great. Sounds great. Hey, thank you so much, man. I love the live stream and watching your video. It's kind of fun and learn a lot of stuff as well. Thanks a lot. I'll like to say thank you for making it fun. And the fact that you are 16 years old trading right now, bruh, hats off, salute and everything. I wish TA worked 100% of the time with AMC, but the manipulation is crazy, man. oh no, I said the word just now. I think Leroy said it just now. Where is it? I said the word. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I don't think so either. You just have the parents. Yeah. So the Dev Tommy has answered it. All right. By the way, his name is Tommy. Everybody. Sounds great. Yeah, man. Perhaps I have my Twitter account. If you have Twitter, or if not my email, just email me, and then we see how we can move forward with that. Maybe you can share with me your Facebook. We can chat through there and see how we're gonna move forward. So do you think AMC will squeeze this year, and how will it play out? Dude, man, for AMC, let's go. Right. AMC, I mean, if you watch my previous video, I say that it is not the D squeeze, right? There's no D squeeze. There's just a squeeze, squeeze again, So it's just multiple squeeze can happen. So AMC definitely have had first squeeze or second squeeze, right? I mean, if you'll be lying, or YouTubers will be lying to you if they say that, oh, AMC haven't squeezed yet. What are you talking about? It has squeezed, but the question is, will it squeeze again? Okay, I know I'm gonna piss a lot of people on this chat, or whoever that watch this after. What are you talking about? AMC haven't squeezed. No, but I mean, I will be lying to you if I say that AMC haven't squeezed. Right? This is the first squeeze to $20, almost $30. I could have cashed out, right, at 10,000 gain. Oh, but I didn't. All right, because diamond hand, and then dropped to $5, average down to $7.95, and then hold it for quite a long time, about a couple of months, 3 months, and voila, we see at $70. And right now, here's what we see. Is it similar from the first squeeze? Yeah. Let's take a look. I'm sure some shorts have covered, but there is still a majority of shorts back. You have it. So you have your answer, right? You do your own due diligence, right? You have your answer whether it's gonna squeeze. Personally, the reason why I'm still holding onto it. Okay, I'm gonna post. If Duke Leroy, I know in Singapore, Twitter is not the in thing, but if you have Twitter, create Twitter, and go and check my Twitter account. I'm gonna post my position on AMC. I'm not gonna share how many shares. I'm just gonna share. On what's that? Tiger. Then you can just share. Then they show you how many percentage, what's the average and stuff like that. I'm gonna do that. I check. I can do that. Just cannot share how many shares I have. So yeah, you have your answer over there, Duke Leroy. And as you can see over here, some people, right? I as much as I'm bullish, some people might say that AMC might so we have had this, and maybe in the next video I'm going to do a parabolic arc, the price spike up. I do foresee, I do hope that AMC is going to hit, I do foresee okay, $100 is very much possible. But if you got in at a very high price, then I don't know. I got in at very low price. Okay, I got in at what, I get a lot at $5. So if you get in at this price, you're getting in at 6 times of what I get in. So therefore, that's why it's very easy for me. It's very easy for Trade and many others to say, hold the line. It's very easy for all of us to say. But you just gotta make your own due diligence, make your own decision on how you're gonna make sense of it. Okay, if you just randomly believe all of us, then if you just randomly believe, then it's quite yeah. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at this. By the way, if I'm planning to do a Moomoo 10,000 challenge starting with $100. Okay, for Duke Leroy or Tommy or whoever it is in Singapore or anywhere else, I'm not sure whether you have this package where Moomoo give out Apple share, right? I got Apple share, I sell yada yada, and then right now I'm with that. Then I deposited 100 SGD, right? So with that 100 SGD and the Apple share that they give, and I think $30, so accounts for almost $300 SGD. I aim to, with that $300, to hit $10,000. Okay, for that I have actually emailed to the relevant personnel, say that I'm trying to do that. It's just a personal growth thing. It's not so let's see whether they are okay with it. But yeah, it is easy for people who are in the single digits to say hold the line. I just hope that 30s seems like nothing. A couple of months now. Yeah, man, it's I know that people are gonna hate me for saying this, right? I know people. I mean, in fact, I know people are gonna hate me for saying this, but it's very easy for all of us. It's very easy for me to say, hey man, hold the line. But those who bought at 70, 80, oh shit, wait, hold up. It looks like another setup where it drops again. So that's not what I want to see. I should have just cash out. Sometimes it's like this. You should have just cash out with awesome gains, but you didn't, and then right now you are panicking, and then you sell the dip. But we shall see if it respecting this ascending level of support. But enough of the 1 minute chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart over here. Hey, 4-hour chart, it looks really poised for a proper return, right? Poised for a huge return. So I think it's just gonna hold. Yeah, I think it's just gonna hold. Yeah, the Dow went up, big time because yesterday you see it dropped quite substantially. Nasdaq up, Facebook up, this and up, everything is up except for Clover. Clover is down 4% right now. Yeah, that's what I drew in my technical analysis. We are seeing this descending level of resistance. So I don't, unless we break this and break it fast, it's very hard to see it going up today. So days like this, you just gotta off your laptop and just, you know what, whatever. Either you buy the dip or just whatever, right? So yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna make another video on with regards to this piece of on this. How do I? Yeah. So I'm gonna make a piece of video on this and share my personal opinion on it. Doesn't seem like fantastic news, so just see. Yeah, but stock rally in face of COVID Delta variant. Clover. Now Clover we have 38.1 thousand members, so it seems really good. Alright guys, so it is 10:40. I think that's the end of the live. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, so do stay tuned for another video. If not, I will see you guys in the next video. If not, thank you so much for joining the live stream. Thank you so much. Goodbye everybody. Bye bye. Goodbye, have a great day. Have a great day yourself too, Tommy. See ya later, Frank. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, dude. See ya, guys. Trade safe. Looking forward as well. Goodbye.